Pat, was timbang ni baby ang katapat.
Start, please. Let's all rise and feel the presence of the Lord through a doxology to be led to us by the pupils of grade 5, Madam Eunice advised.
And after which, please remain standing for the salutation of the flag to be conducted by Pailin Onyo.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. I am magiliw, para sa silanganan, harap ng puso, sa isip mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, luyang pa ng magising, sa manlulupin, di ka pasitiis, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo'y bugaw, may dilagang tulad.
Everyone. Every year, we are celebrating an event in relation to our health and physical environment.
That's right. And that happens with the month of July, the month of nutrition.
Full cast entertainment.
Full of talent, health tips, and trivia.
All these and more. So hold on and stay on your position as you witness the one of the greatest show on earth.
To formally open the program, may we call on the Vice President of this institution, Madam Mylene, for welcome address.
Vice Principal. Correct mo na lang.
Okay, so ngayong buwan, ipinagdiriwang natin ang buwan, tuwing buwan ng Hulyo, ipinagdiriwang natin yung buwan ng nutrisyon. So, kailangan nating maging aware. So, sabi natin sa ating discussion, di ba, science? ng puso ko. Parang may mayroon kahit di malam ngayon. Sana ay maghihuli pagdating ng panahon. Di pagsusubukan, ibigay ngayon. Ano mo ang araw, kung nagsisiyo, pagdating ng panahon, basta ikaw at ako, magkatibok ng puso ko, pag-ibig ng puso mo. Sana may mayroon kahit di malam ngayon. Sana ay muli pagdating ng
Ako'y dating sagaran, manutungan masigla. Ayaw mo ng dalawang paso, malakas resistensya. Ako'y dating sagaran, manutungan masigla. Tataputo, linaw mata, palaging masaya.
Lahat nga kumanta. Ko'y laki sa gatas, tama na tayo.